Good afternoon, Muscle Car Corner here at Mecum. You know, I've never done a Volkswagen video, so I figured I'd go ahead and get it for the VW fans. 67 Beetle Coupe, 4-speed. It's a pretty cool little color they got on it. Not a huge Volkswagen guy, but I've restored many of them. And they're pretty cool little cars, really. Get some type of aftermarket header and exhaust on it. Pretty neat. I like the wheels. Everything works on this little thing. Even the wrap looks cool. Muscle Car Corner bringing you a non-muscle car. Bringing you a Volkswagen.